This is Mickey. She dreams of becoming a model. She currently works at a cafe, but her ultimate goal is to act in movies. Mickey, you're getting late for work. Are you ready? Mom, I was making reels for my Instagram page. You ruined my video. Don't build castles in the air. You should focus on your work. I want to become a model. I will work in movies one day. You are very naive, Mickey. You don't know how cruel the world can be yet. Your life is perfect. You have a roof over your head. You should be thankful. I will become a model one day, Mom. You are a teacher, but I don't want to be a teacher. I'm going to school. My students are waiting for me. See you in the evening. Mickey's mother is a teacher. She teaches English at a high school and lives in a rented house. She is content with her life. I have to work hard. I want to become a superstar. One day, people will take selfies with me. Nobody can stop me. I am the most beautiful girl in the world. This is Kevin. He likes Mickey a lot. He also works at the cafe. I like her a lot. She is gorgeous. I need to tell her how I feel.
Good morning, Mickey. How are you?
Good morning, Kevin. I'm fine. How are you?
I saw your video on Instagram. You looked stunning.
Really? Thanks for the compliment. My followers will increase one day. I will become a superstar. You'll be taking selfies with me.
You are already a superstar, Mickey. I want to tell you something.
I'm all ears. What do you want to say?
I really like you a lot, Mickey. Will you be my girlfriend? You are very beautiful.
Shut up. Are you in your senses? You and I? How could you even think about it? Give me a break, David. I am not an ordinary girl. I am Mickey. Have you even seen your face in the mirror? Get lost.
You also work in this cafe. You can't humiliate me like this.
If you say one more word, I will slap you. I want to be a model. I can't ruin my career for you. Don't talk to me again. Mickey, you won't believe it. Calm down, Emma. What's the matter? Leo is here. He came to meet his fans. The superstar Leo is in town. What? Really? Oh my God, I can't wait to see him. We have to hurry, Emma. Let's go, I don't want to miss this chance. Oh my God, he is really here. I think I'm going to pass out. He is so handsome, and very rich. I have to meet him. I am here, Leo. I am your biggest fan. I want to meet you. I will meet him today. Nobody can stop me. What's wrong with you? Why did you stop?
Where are you going? Stay away from the stage.
I want to meet Leo. Who are you to stop me?
Hey girl, what do you think of yourself? Leo is not your friend. Don't mess with me. I am his assistant. I will call security.
Please, let me meet him. I want to become a model too. I am very talented and the most beautiful girl in this town.
You are wasting your time here. You need to leave now.
Can I get your number? Can we meet later?
You're very persistent. Fine. Here's my card. But Leo can't meet you now. You must leave.
Got it. I will call you later. Have a good day. What happened? Did you meet Leo? Did you even touch him? I couldn't meet him. I'm his biggest fan. I want to work with him. But I met his assistant, and he gave me his contact details. I will call him later. The stage was too crowded and noisy. Let's head back. Work where were you? You were supposed to. Be here, the customers are waiting. Your boss, why did you leave this cafe? You are a strict boss, I am a hard working person. You cannot talk to me like this. I am not a robot. You are an arrogant girl. You are fired. Get out of my cafe. You are not a superstar. Pack your things and leave my cafe right away.
Sister, please don't fire her. She is a good girl.
Enough is enough, Kevin. Don't support her. She does not want to work here. I hired her because of you. She does not take orders. I have heard complaints about her. Keep your mouth shut. I am leaving this cafe right away. I will become a superstar one day. You cannot insult me. I want a new model. I want a beautiful girl in my movie. You have to find a new model as soon as possible. The producer cannot wait anymore. Don't worry, buddy. I will find a beautiful model for our next project. Girls want to work with you. You are the superstar, Leo. I have to do something. I want a small fortune. I want to be a model. I need to call Leo's assistant. He can help me in this case. I need a job. Lucy, you got fired. Kevin told me about you. Kevin's sister humiliated me. I cannot work there. I am not an ordinary girl. I will become a superstar. You have to complete your master degree. Fashion industry is not for you. I don't want to be a teacher. I want to work in movies. I cannot live my life like you. I hope you got it.